Need to recover your Fantasy Premier League account? Then you're on the right video. First thing first, head over to your application FPL. Once you're in the home page, head over to More at the bottom right corner of the screen. At the bottom, simply click on Join or Sign In. Wait for a while for it to load. Click on Accept all cookies. Now once you're in this page, you simply have to enter the email address of your account. Once you've entered the email address, and if you have forgotten the password, click on Forgot Password. You will be receiving one verification code on your email address. Simply move into your mail and then click on the mail that you have received. Once you have clicked on it, it will lead you to the page where you will be able to change your password. Simply create a new password for your FPL. Once created, your account will be recovered. Simply enter the login credentials and then log in. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.